landing gear doors at the front of the plane and on the rear end of the plane. The 3 doors, I had issues with them. So you gotta be careful, guys, when you put this together, because according to the instructions, you have to put the door in first before you assemble the rest of the canopy here at the front. So this top entire upper piece actually fits right in, and there's a little support inside the canopy that actually supports the hinge piece that supports the door. So what happened earlier on as I was assembling this together, I didn't actually press it all the way down very tightly. So this door piece, when I was trying to put the landing gear on, when I tried to open the door just popped right off and it just didn't want to stay in place. So that's what really happened. And when I tried to put it back in, I had lots of issues with it. So what I did, I put it back in and I closed this all up, tightened it by pressing it down more, and then in the end, it finally worked. I was able to do that off camera so I can figure out what was the issue. Finally done it. So there's the landing gear in place. Same thing with the back here as well, guys. There's the same detail in there. There's a little plastic piece that supports the doors in place, which is this piece right over here. There's 2 big chunks of plastic which actually supports the door hinges.